What if Honda suddenly brought back one of its most legendary sports cars, but redesigned it for 2026? A lightweight roadster, retro styling, high revving engine, and a price that could make the Mazda Miata very nervous. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Honda S800 revival, a rumored modern interpretation of Honda's classic 1960s sports car. And honestly, if Honda actually builds this thing, it might become one of the coolest affordable sports cars of the decade. Let's take a closer look. Right away, the front design screams retro Honda DNA. The most iconic element is the circular LED headlights. They clearly pay tribute to the original Honda S800, but now they're modernized with halo LED rings and projector elements. Between them sits a simple horizontal grille, finished in black with a clean Honda badge at the center. It's minimalist, no oversized intakes, no aggressive fake vents, just classic sports car design done right. The chrome bumper detail underneath also adds that vintage touch, reminding us of the golden era of lightweight Japanese roadsters. And honestly, in a world where many sports cars look overly complicated, this design feels refreshingly pure. From the side view, the proportions are exactly what you'd want from a classic roadster. Long hood, short rear deck, low beltline, and a beautifully compact footprint. The car sits on multi-spoke performance wheels, giving it a slightly modern performance stance without ruining the retro character. Because the 2026 S800 is designed as a convertible roadster, the silhouette remains incredibly clean and elegant. Top down, this thing would look absolutely perfect cruising along coastal highways. Think California coastal road vibes, or even better, a Sunday morning canyon drive. Moving to the rear, we see another strong nod to the original Honda S800. The standout feature here is the dual circular LED taillights on each side. These glowing red LED rings give the car a distinct retro-modern identity, almost like a blend between classic Honda design and modern sports car technology. The rear bumper is finished in chrome again, maintaining the vintage theme, and underneath, we get dual exhaust outlets, hinting that this little roadster is definitely built for driving enthusiasts. Wide rear tires also give the car a planted stance, meaning this isn't just about looks, it's about driving fun. Step inside, and the cabin continues the retro meets modern philosophy. The dashboard features classic analog-inspired gauges, including a large central speedometer, but unlike the original S800 from the 1960s, this version integrates modern digital displays and infotainment. You still get physical knobs and switches, something driving purists will appreciate. The steering wheel design is simple, sporty, and elegant, with a 3-spoke metal finish that feels very vintage racing inspired. The gear lever sits high on the center console, and yes, rumors suggest the 2026 S800 could offer a manual transmission, which would instantly make it one of the most exciting affordable sports cars on the market. Now let's talk about the most important part, the engine. According to early rumors and speculation, the 2026 Honda S800 revival could use one of two possible powertrains. Option 1, a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, similar to the one used in the Honda Civic. Expected output, around 200 horsepower. For a lightweight roadster weighing around 1,100 kilograms, that would deliver seriously fun performance. But there's also another possibility. Some insiders believe Honda might develop a high-revving, naturally aspirated engine, honoring the spirit of the original S800, which famously revved past 9,000 revolutions per minute. Imagine that. A lightweight sports car, manual gearbox, high-revving engine, rear-wheel drive. That formula is exactly what driving enthusiasts have been asking for. If Honda wants this car to compete directly with the Mazda MX-5 Miata, pricing will be extremely important. Industry speculation suggests the 2026 Honda S800 could start around $29,000 to $34,000. That would position it right in the sweet spot of affordable sports cars, cheap enough for enthusiasts, but special enough to feel like a collector's item. If the Honda S800 returns, its biggest competitors would include Mazda MX-5 Miata, still the king of lightweight roadsters, Toyota GR86/Subaru BRZ, affordable sports coupes with rear-wheel drive balance, Mini Cooper, convertible, a stylish compact performance alternative. But the S800 would bring something unique, retro Japanese sports heritage, something none of those rivals truly offer. Honda hasn't built a small lightweight roadster in decades, and enthusiasts have been waiting. The original S800 was famous for its motorcycle-inspired engine and incredible driving character. Bringing that philosophy back in 2026 would be a huge moment for Honda, especially now that many automakers are moving toward electric vehicles. A pure gasoline lightweight sports car would feel like a love letter to driving enthusiasts. So the big question is, will Honda actually build the 2026 S800 revival? Right now, it remains a rumor. But if this design direction becomes reality, Honda could once again create one of the most exciting small sports cars in the world. Retro styling, lightweight engineering, and real driver engagement. Honestly, that sounds like the perfect recipe for an enthusiast car. If Honda really releases the 2026 Honda S800, would you choose it over the Mazda Miata? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you love future car rumors like this, make sure you subscribe, because the next generation of sports cars might be coming sooner than we think.